YouTube, what up YouTube? You know how it goes. This is our third part of how to create an animated art cover. So now we are using a different platform. We are using a different software, that is Photopad, but still by NCH, because you know on this channel we all want to master NCH softwares. So the first thing you have to do, you have to take the first image and put it at the floor. You take the second image, you put it on the second floor. You take you put it on the top floor. All you have to do is to drag the image, then you push it to the timeline. You take this image, then you put it on your timeline. Oh, I have already put, it is already on the timeline. That the image with Beyonce it cover the entire image, but on our Photopad we made those images we made this image to have the biggest pixel, followed by this image and this image. That's why here you will see that there's a lot of, this one is big, this one is the second biggest, and this one is the smallest. So going to our Photopad, so the first thing we have to do when we come to our Photopad is to go to our second image, the one on the second, then go to effects, then we click plus, then we decrease the scale. So we can decrease the scale here. Then we go back to our timeline. So the photo which have Jay-Z and Beyonce still covers the entire flows. So we go again, we click on our right hand side, we click effects, we go to that plus sign, we click scale. We can even drop the image, but I would love to click scale. Then but you need to make sure it is very small. It is smaller than the first. Okay, I like the way it is. I like this. Good. This is what we want. But we want to make those image animate, so we cannot just save it the way it is. So we have to tell the software after 1 minute, after 1 second, which this is our first second, we want the second floor image to appear. Our second minute. Okay, sorry, I made this shit by mistake. I made this by mistake. So so we have to take this my Photopad is very slow today. I don't know why. My Photopad is very slow, guys, today. I really don't know why. You go to our third track. God, this shit is very slow today. I don't know why. Okay, we go to our and we move this one. We'll put it here. We take it, then we move it backwards. Then and you need to make sure, guys, it ends the same way. Let's say the video will end around, let's say